I'm Sherri Harrah with HomeShowGardenPros, and I'm here today with Bob from Coast of Maine, and we want to share with you the amazing soil line of Coast of Maine. So we talk on the show all the time, Bob, about the importance of amazing soils.
Absolutely.
So what makes Coast of Maine so amazing?
Hey, the great thing about Coast of Maine is, first and foremost, we believe that organic builds life.
Right.
So, you know, what happens below the ground benefits, you see those benefits above the ground. That's
Absolutely.
Really important. So that's growing great food for your family, that's growing beautiful flowers for the community, for your yard. Absolutely important. So the unique thing about Coast of Maine product is probably its formulation. So we've taken that formulation developed in New England and we're spreading the love, so to speak. So now we're going to take that to other parts of the country, utilizing regional inputs, but still off of that great New England formulation.
So not necessarily shipped here from the Coast of Maine.
That's correct.
Okay, so when you say locally sourced, what kind of materials are we finding local in the Gulf Coast of Texas?
Yeah, so even still, we're always going to be looking at, you know, some type of aged bark is really important. Our product is going to be a little bit unique in terms of what you would find in many garden centers, and let me walk through that for a second. So first and foremost, you'll have value soils, and we're talking organic here. You'll have value soils that are more of a wood-based soil.
Okay.
So going to be a little more chunky and at a better price point. The next up from that, a little bit more expensive, is going to be a peat-based soil.
Okay.
So a little less wood, a little softer in texture. And then the next step up, which is going to be a little more of a premium, which is Coast of Maine, is a compost blend. You don't see very many compost blend soils out there because they take longer to prepare. You got to age the compost, but boy, are the results fantastic as a result.
Absolutely, and I'm always talking about like variety is the spice of life. So one of my favorite things about Coast of Maine is the sea-sourced ingredients. The lobster, the crab, the seaweed. So I always have my Friday night seaweed date in my garden. So this product right here is one of my favorite composts that you can buy in the Houston market.
It is fantastic. So Coast of Maine really kind of got founded with our Quaddy blend, compost blend. All of our soils have these very unique names because they're named after communities in the state of Maine. So our Quaddy blend is a fantastic compost blend. It is one that I like to recommend using with our other core 3 products. It's just kind of your nutrient booster, if you will. When we talk about using it with those other core 3 or any of the other Coast of Maine products, let's walk through what those 3 are. One of them you have here is going to be our Bar Harbor blend. This is our potting soil. A great mix, again, that blend of from land to sea ingredients. Again, a blend of compost put together that works really well.